your kids there to the two numbers you are going to go. And from here you write x and x. You open two brackets and write x and x equal to 0. So you look for those two numbers so that when you multiply you have -3. When you add you have -2. And as you all know, the two numbers are -3 and +1. So from here you know that x minus 3 equal to 0, or x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 3, or x equal to -1. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up